Bula everyone, Baron Bruno with Professionals FIJI Real Estate. And Brandon and I've got a new listing here. Great thing about this is you can take it full-time for 2.9 million Fijian or part-time for 4,500 Fijian a month. It's got 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, great 2-story home, air cons, the tile, all the custom paint, privacy screens and shutters throughout. It's got its own laundry room. You're going to see there, right over there to the right. Access to the side yard. Good storage in this house as well, so you can see below the stairs. For those of you who love the open concept, this is a winner. Great sitting areas everywhere. Big pantry. And there you go, again, your fridge, more storage, access to the backyard and swimming pool area with a half bath. Very convenient for guests, right? People coming over, they can just go right down there and have another look. Is this great kitchen, sitting areas, all open up to the golf course, your own swimming pool, private sitting areas. Other great features about this house, you can see the glass block right there. That adds so much natural light. And really this whole place is cool because it has both a lot of the natural light, as you can see, and then also some really nice shady pockets. And you can really control that with all these privacy louvers and shades as well. So that right there is the shared bathroom upstairs for the 2 bedrooms. Come with me, let's have a look. Great wood floors. That really nice island vibe here. And remember what I was telling you about the controlling the natural light. You can see they've got the roller shades and those diffuser curtains, which give you that flexibility. And this is going to be the 2nd bedroom up here. And you can notice all of the bedrooms have really, really nice built-ins. So if you've got kids and guests coming, you can put all their stuff away so it doesn't look too cluttered. And look at the good size of this great room upstairs. This is really nice, so when you want to entertain and watching TV or just sit up here in this private balcony and enjoy the sunsets. Or if you're a golfer or play tennis, bring those clubs and that racket, because you can play at Denarau Golf Course just moments away and see yourself or your friends coming through and wave hello. Maybe jinx them while they're trying to putt. Come with me now. So we've seen the 2 bedrooms upstairs. There's that full bathroom that they share. And this is the master bedroom. Wood floors throughout with the air con and ceiling fan. Great air movement. Storage area. Look at this. All your stuff. This is really nice, something you don't see too often, but great counter for makeup, jewelry, things like that. Double shower in there as well, so it's something really nice for a master bedroom. Lots of little touches here that really make a difference. Everywhere you go, you've got the privacy blinds and the screens as well. So you can leave everything open at night, not worry that you're going to get bugs or critters or anybody coming inside. And again, off the master bedroom, this is one of 2 balconies. And what a great view. I just love it up here. The sunset is getting close here. It's just spectacular. So to find out more about this listing that we have for rent, 4,500 a month, Fijian dollars, or 2.9 if you want to stay here full time and live with us here in Denarau, we'd love to see you. Go to professionalsfiji.com, or better yet, call us. We want to hear from you. +679 999 2051. Look forward to seeing you. Hope you're happy and safe. Talk to you soon. Banaka.